Here's a secret almost nobody tells new computer owners. Your computer doesn't slow down because it's getting old. It slows down because you stopped maintaining it. Your processor is just as fast today as it was the day you bought it. The problem isn't the hardware, it's the digital rot that has built up inside the software. If you never took the trash out of your house for a year, you wouldn't be able to walk through the hallway. Your computer is exactly the same. Today, we are going to reverse that aging process. We're going to implement a maintenance routine that keeps your machine running like new forever. The first step is shedding the weight. Every time you install a program, browse the web, or download a file, your computer creates temporary data. Over time, this becomes gigabytes of useless junk that clogs up your storage and slows down your system. We need to attack this on 3 fronts. First, the startup menu. If your computer takes forever to turn on, it's because 20 different apps are trying to launch the second you hit the power button. Go to your settings and disable anything you don't need immediately. Spotify and Zoom do not need to be open 24/7. Second, the unused apps. Go through your list. If you haven't used an app in 3 months, uninstall it. It's just dead weight. And third, the digital trash. Use the built-in storage tools on Windows or Mac to wipe out temporary files. You don't need fancy PC booster apps. In fact, many of those are scams. The built-in tools are safer and often more effective. Next, we need to talk about a bad habit that almost everyone has: sleep mode. We love closing the lid and walking away. But if you never actually shut down or restart your computer, you are asking for trouble. Your system needs to clear its RAM, its short-term memory, and reset its background processes. If you leave it on for weeks at a time, errors pile up. Make it a rule. Restart your computer once a week. Finally, maintenance isn't a one-time event. It's a ritual. You need to establish a monthly routine. Pick a day, maybe the first Saturday of the month, and spend just 20 minutes doing the essentials. And here's the truth most people overlook. These habits are just the baseline. If you really want to know how to diagnose performance issues, protect your data long-term, understand storage health, spot early signs of hardware failure, and make your system last twice as long. That's where Buy the Brain, Not the Brand, goes deeper. This chapter is a teaser, a starting point. The book shows you how to think like a smart, informed user, not a confused buyer hoping for the best. So if you want your computer to stay fast, safe, and reliable, not just today but years from now, get the book and unlock the full system.